I just got this comment on my YouTube channel and it just made me realize how easy it is to manifest a specific person. Let's just affirm for that, okay? It's so easy to manifest your SP. Honestly, it's the easiest thing you could ever manifest. Like, stop complicating it. The formula is and always has been: set your intention, regulate your emotions, know it is done, and receive your desire, your person. That's it. Just know it is done. It's done right now. If you're thinking about your specific person right now, they're thinking about you even more. If you're missing them, they miss you more. If you're in love with them, they want to be with you even more. They love you even more. And they cannot stand the thought of not being with you right now. These are the beliefs that you need to have about you and your specific person. If you think about your SP and you still have so much hate and pain and anger, they're not going to think happy thoughts about you because they're mirroring you. So if you feel anger towards them, they feel that too. So your first step is to release that anger, that pain, that sadness. And you can do that with EFT tapping. I have so many tapping meditations inside my program, Become Magnetic. And there's one to forgive the past, to remove a third party, to become a love magnet. So much more inside. Just do the work. Trust me, do the work and you will receive your desires easily. And manifesting an SP will be fun. It gets to be fun. It gets to be easy. And again, if you need support, join Become Magnetic. You also get access to community chat. And honestly, everyone is so supportive and helps each other just like manifest in this journey and in this process, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, definitely ask them in the comments below. I will see you next time and follow for more.